गतकाली भली आज अच्छी आमर सांस्कृतिक फर्द एथिरे विशिष्ट ओडिसी नृत्य विशारदा पद्मश्री डॉक्टर प्रियंवदा हेजमादी सहित आलाप करुछंती आउ जणे विशिष्ट ओडिसी नृत्यांगना पद्मश्री अरुणा महांती।
The history of Odissi is incomplete without her name. An exceptional achiever who has received the highest prestigious award in both science, Padma Shri, for her outstanding contribution in the field of science and engineering, and culture, Central Sangeet Natak Academy Award. As a leading figure in culture, she played a significant role in bringing Odissi dance into the national attention and recognition. Namaskar. This is a great moment for me. I am really privileged to be sitting in front of Dr. Priyambada Mohanty Hezmadi.
Namaskar.
Many times we have heard that you are the golden girl of the golden era. When you look back, how do you see it?
Well, it just happened that I was in the right place at the right time, and by accident I learned dance, which was not in the agenda. As you know, in our society, it was a very conservative society we had, during independence. And dance and music were not part of our agenda. As a matter of fact, there is a saying in Odia, Salaja bae, nilaja gaye, atti olajuko nachuko jaye. That means the one with some shame plays the instruments, the one with no shame sings, and the shameless of all dances. I was a student of Ramanshah College, and the first Inter-University Youth Festival was held, a brainchild of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who thought of this, that we should bring the students from all over India and let them interact culturally and socially. It was 1954, and since I was dancing off and on, sometimes in social functions, the doyen of Odissi music, dance and drama, whatever you say is Kabichandra Kalicharan Patnaik. He was selecting the people for music, and they said that we'll send this girl for dance.
So there was a lot of resistance to entry your dance as classical.
Odissi Odissi क्या है? हमने कथकली सुनना है, मणिपुरी, भरतनाट्यम, these are the four you can compete. ये क्या है? Anyway, I think the person who was in charge, he persuaded them. Maybe let her dance kind of thing. So I went at stage that day in a slot, and I was aware of it. I was very afraid also, because under these circumstances, and I was a teenager. So I started dancing. When I started dancing, you won't believe, there are clappings like anything from the beginning till the end. It was a 10-minute affair.
So the name classical was coined then?
Classical was there, classical only this.
But Odissi was not coined.
We are surprised they gave me a third prize, and the certificate says classical dance.
That is
third
when
prize.
the history is made.
Yes.
Because that one word classical on that piece of paper has given an identity to this dance form Odissi.
November 4th I danced, November 5th this has come out. This has come out in print, the name Odissi, we are calling it Odissi. And he has written O-R-I-S-I, one S. And this is the first time the name Odissi appears anywhere in print in the world.
Appa, what do you think that for the reconstruction and restructuring of Odissi in post-independence era, how the allied forms of Odisha has helped in the process of evolution?
I would say that we have drawn mostly from Gotipo system. Gotipo system is a rich traditional system from 15th century onwards. And it uses the poetry, the Vaishnavite poetry. Oriya songs are very beautiful, and the traditional tunes are even more beautiful. What we call as Shruti Madhur. This is very pleasing. So these poems and all were with the Goti. Mainly we have got it everything from Gotipur.
What about Mahari? What's the contribution of Mahari?
Okay, you see, we know that all these dance, especially the classical dance forms and all, first started from the temples. You know, or even Buddhist temple, even Shaivite temples, and of course our Jagannath temple, they had Mahari Seva along with other Seva, where these girls used to dance and sing. So this was part of the ritual. For Odissi dance, there were big fights. They are all on records in parliament. Our parliamentarian who were vocal. Central Sangeet Nat Academy, which is the forum which authorizes, which declares which is classical, not which classifies. There are so many heated debates in their executive committee meetings, and some of them have written that it was agreed that this has all the elements, but when the proceedings were written, there is no mention.
So is it dance is all about body or beyond body?
Much beyond body. And this is a medium where you can, this is non-verbal, this is the best non-verbal communication you can have through dance. You don't have to say anything, but you can transmit all the information and transmit to people and invoke their emotions, which is even more important. That's why, dance and music is used for therapy now.
So Priyambada Mohanty is a name, but she is a dear Appa who is a living legend. Her life is a journey, a celebration. Thank you, Appa.
Bless you.